How should we even start it?
I think we should start out on the porch.
No, we already showed the porch. Good morning, you guys. I don't want to start like that. I don't know what face to do. We're doing this in front of you. Oh, that's better light, okay. And let me tell you, oh, Cody, shoes. Oh, let's do it again. They're playing a riveting game of hide and seek, and I apparently just got in his way. Oh, it's dark in there. Do you need a light? Oh, come on, show for everybody. Oh, hold on, let me refill it. Was it hot?
It just slipped off.
Awkward. Yes, you need a light. Let's turn a light on. The last time I shaved my face was 8 months ago. So, I think that was the ice maker. I'm leaving that off. Okay, I left the cameras rolling because I was scared. It's just someone that wanted to buy the house. Then, hold on, let me. Hello? Oh, I keep having people like come in. It's really, I have to knock on the door and it's I'm so happy. I'm in here filming a video.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, no, you're totally great. No, you're just fine.
Freak out on the video.
No, I didn't. I was like, I'm leaving the camera rolling because if anything happens. Thanks. What was I saying? I keep losing my spot. I don't know. It's weird using a gimbal. Why does it go so fast? I want it to be smooth. Oh my gosh.
Just light touches.
I am barely touching it at all. My gosh. I can't. I don't know how to use this thing. What in the actual F? Oh, for gosh sakes. Okay. See how it's not moving? Oh, is there, can you lock the tilt on it?
Which one?
This one? I'm gonna just manually do this real quick. I'm sure that's great.
At least good. Okay.
How do you turn this thing off? The battery's about to die on it. Couldn't be witty on cue.
That was what you got, was awkward silence?
Just wasn't there, I'm sorry.
Awkward silence is timely. To actually turn the fireplace on so that they actually dry. What's happening? What isn't happening? Oh. Okay, me shaking the camera, this is not good. Oh dear. Is the camera vibrating or my head? I can't tell. Tonight for dinner we are doing a chicken quinoa veggie, no, what is this called? How do I do this? Hold on, I wanna, my chin is. Oh, and it went really blurry. Is it a veggie bowl? It's really not. And so if you guys wanna do it too, you can more than,
hell? Hate on camera. I'm ready to kill someone. Like, what the heck? Oh my gosh, it just won't stop being blurry. Oh my gosh. Like, I don't know what to do. Okay, holy balls. I know it's a me issue, not a camera issue, I'm sure. Like, I'm not even moving and it goes in and out of focus. I like watching you work. That was a TikTok reference if anyone's noticing.
Because you're fancy.
Because you're fancy.
Isn't that TikTok, right?
Joel, you're getting it. Hold on, there we go.
Don't let Daddy's fart crumbs bite.
Fart crumbs. Is that okay to say? Good morning, you guys. Okay, sorry. We actually have much more. Okay. I thought it would be a really fun video. Not fun, okay. Who cares? Oh gosh. The last time I shaved my face was 8 months ago. So, I think that was the ice maker. Well, I don't know what just came out of my
Are you barking? What
I don't know what just came out of my mouth, actually. That was surprising for all of us, actually. Okay.
Just as surprised as you are.
I'm gonna start that clip over.
Look, can I have that one? Like that one in the
The
middle?
one like right away from everywhere I'm pulling out? Sure, that seems like a great idea. How about you get what you get and you don't throw a fit?
Oh. Guess I can get rid of the hair wad from the drain.
Oh, that looks amazing.
Wow, thank you.
It just really looks nice.
Wow, thank you.
Do you need to adjust that camera again?
Sure do.
Sure do.
Disgusting.
Lady, don't look.
Anyway, that was foul. Who's hugging me, Winky? All right, let's go sit back down. Gotta finish our dinner. I'm going to not use my fingers and take the garlic out of the oven. Okay, this is for the intro. If I can ever get it right, hold on. My hands are shaking.
1, 2, 3. Look at that bump.
I saw. It's not real. It's not real.
1, 2, 3.
Okay. Hey, mister.
What are you doing?
Hey, butthead.
Oh, jeez. So how many boys? 3? 4. The buttons on this just decide to get out. Oh, that's cute.